Hello, today we are going to solve the final assignment for week 1, cleaning and manipulating text. The first question says, in column D, we need a formula to generate the full name. Which of the following formulas will return the result Tina Desiato in cell D23? Okay, first we need the first name and then the last name. So the easiest way to do this is type equals C4 ampersand quotation marks space quotation marks another ampersand and the last name. And as you can see, the formula returns Tina Desiato. So the formula is equals C4 ampersand quotation mark space quotation mark ampersand B4. Second question. If we type the formula in CD form equals proper C4 X quotation mark X B4 to achieve the intended result of question 1 above, what is the character is required to replace X? Well, the character is ampersand. If we want to change the formula in D4 to return Steve Bakata, which of the following formulas will achieve this? Well, as you can see, the first name is a proper format and the last name is upper. So my formula will be concatenate proper of C1, C4, comma, quotation marks, and upper last name. And the formula is concatenate proper C4, comma, quotation mark, space, quotation mark, comma, upper B4. Don't forget the commas. If we enter the calculation equals proper concat C4 quotation mark space quotation mark upper B4 in D4, what will return it? Okay, I just going to copy paste. And as you can see is Stevie Bakata as propers. Fill in the email column. The format for the email address is last name followed by @pushing.com. It should all be in lowercase. For example, Stevie Bakata's email address is stevie.bakata@pushing.com. Which of the form of these formulas will create the email address correctly? Okay, so we need to start with the lower function. And we need to join C for the first name with a dot and the last name. And finally, at pushpin.com and close my brackets. And for review, the function is equals lower C for and quotation marks dot quotation marks and P for and quotation marks at pushing.com. Sixth, the location field contains the two-digit floor number followed by a hyphen, then the wing followed by a space, and then the four-digit extension. We need to split them up so that they are easy to access. For example, O2 hyphen West 2635 means floor 2, West Wing, extension 2635. Which function we should use to extract the floor number? The floor number is at the left, so it's left function. Which formula could we use to return the extension number, which is the last four digits in column K for each staff member? The function is right. So I'm going to type equals right, the text, and I want the last four characters. We would like just the first number of north or west to indicate the wing in column N. Which formula will give the desired result? The formula is myth, and my text is on cell K4. I'm going to start at the 3 position, 4 position, and I need just the first letter. Since the wings are west or north, which have different number of characters, we cannot hard code the number 4. We will need to use a formula that changes with the wing. What should be the result of the following formula equals find quotation mark comma K23. The formula, the result is 9. We would like to return the full word of the wing. What formula will give the desired result? I just need to build this formula right here. So my formula will be mid K4, 4, length length of K4 minus 8. And you may be asking why minus 8. It is because I am subtracting the rest of the characters. I'm subtracting the 0, the 2, the hyphen, the space between west and the extension, and the last 4 characters of the extension. And if I use my fill handle, you can see that it works beautifully. So is this formula. The next question says, there are a few names that need to be cleaned up. Bob Dicker, column row 22. Has an unusual character at the end of his name. What is the code for this character? I can know it with the function code. At the end, right. Oh my god. Text. Okay, I don't know why is giving me 54, but it actually is 1. Which of the follow, which function or functions could you use to remove this unwanted character? We can use the clean, and we can also use a substitute. And that's all of this assignment.